Welcome to Fresh Off The Porch. My name is Steph, and this is my first episode of my sneaker unboxing that I'm about to do for you guys. I'm trying to bring you consistent content on shoe unboxings, different merch from my local brands that are coming up around here. Some of the guys I know is creating clothes and different things like that, customizing shoes, all kinds of stuff. I got like a lot of talented people around the city that I want to expose and stuff to, but the main focus of it is gonna be my sneaker unboxings. I love sneakers. If you know me, I love shoes, stuff like that. So these particular shoes here, they're some Dunks. You know, Dunks is one of my favorite pair of shoes. I've been on Dunks since like '03, like '02, '03. But these here, I ordered these last year in December, and they got held up in customs. It's from a brand called Passport. Passport's like Kite. It's a brand that's like Kite, Supreme, Palace, if you're familiar with that kind of stuff like that. It's another one of those brands. They're based out of Australia. But ordered the shoes in December. They got held up in customs, and they just now getting here. They're supposed to be here for New Year's, but like they came and went. But I'm gonna do the sneaker unboxing on these for you guys and let y'all in on it. Cause I know, you know, if you sneakerhead like me, like I be passing up on some shoes because I don't know how they look in person. So it'd be like, yeah, I don't think the color gonna be straight. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's gonna be, you know, whatever. And I pass up on them, and then, you know, I see somebody on the street with them on or go somewhere, like, dang, I should have got them shoes. You know what I'm saying? I pass up on them because I didn't know how they looked in person. So hopefully these videos I'm doing for you guys to help y'all, you know, get the inside look and, you know, the true colors of these shoes and stuff like that, if you want to buy them and stuff like that. So let's get to it. So you got the typical Nike SB box that be coming nowadays, the green, yellow, and red, you know, got the stuff on the front. But they really ain't do too much special on the packaging on them. You know, typical paper and shit. But dang, shoe itself, really fire. Man, this shit legit, man. It even came with 2 pair of laces. So, you know, laces itself is crazy, man. Look at the laces. It's supposed to resemble like a boot. They call it Nike Passport SB boot or something like that. But it is crazy. Got the Passport logo. It's on the back right there. And even on the inside. I'm gonna get some closer steel shots for you guys later on. But man, the upper suede, the olive, it's a real clean color for winter time. Actually, these came out in March of last year. I slept on these shoes, but I kept seeing them pop up, you know, here and there, and I'd be looking at shoes, so I had to get them, man. Even the Nike check, bro, the Nike check, it's tumble leather. If you know Nike, that's like the premium leather. If you want, I personally, I just started looking at white Air Force Ones again. I ain't wore some in a minute, but when I start wearing them again, they definitely got to be the tumble leather. The tumble leather is high quality, bro. It lasts a lot longer and it looks better, you know, than that regular, you know, that cheap leather. Like I'm into shoes, so man, I be looking at all this stuff. That's why I don't buy a lot of shoes and stuff no more, cause it be like they trash. A lot of trash be getting put out. But and inside, man, it's typical SB stuff, man. You got the real good thick padding on the inside. I buy my shoes for comfort and stuff like that. These look like they're gonna be a real comfortable shoe. Even the tongue up top is suede. Got the Passport, you know, emblem on the top. Got the little thing. They got gold eyelets on them, man. It's a lot of detail on these shoes. They went in on these shoes. And you got the burnt orange on the outer sole, you know, hold it together, stitching. It's a pretty legit shoe. I think it's gonna be, even the bottom on it, man. I don't know if you can really tell, but the bottom on it is actually like a clear gum bottom with all the different colors on it. It's a pretty legit shoe. I can't wait to put these on. I got a little something I'm gonna put on with these, but over and all, man, yeah, it's a legit dope ass shoe. But that's it for the first episode on these shoes. I think I'm gonna follow up with I already won, but I might double back and do a 2-for-1 since I already won my undefeated. Cause a lot of people slept on them undefeated Air Force Ones that dropped last year, man. They legit a dope ass shoe. Like they collab is like one of the craziest collabs I've seen in a long time. Like they legit. So that might be the next one I do until my next pair of shoes come in or whatever, so I can keep giving you guys content and stuff like that. And also, any of you guys in my city or anywhere, you know what I'm saying, if you got merch, anything you're trying to put out, good merch, quality merch, stuff like that, hit me up in my DMs and I'll do, unboxing or unbagging or whatever, whatever you're seeing or whatever. This year, oh yeah, shout out to Knowledge, man, for this shirt, man. Knowledge out there in Deep Ellum, Texas, man. Shout out to Steve, man. Y'all shop, legit shop, real stop. If you ever in Deep Ellum in the Dallas area, make sure you stop by Knowledge, man. They get you hooked up with anything you need, man. They shoe selection game is tight. If they ain't got it, I'm pretty sure they can find it and get it for you. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Knowledge or whatever. But that's gonna be it for this episode. Until next time, guys. You guys stay tuned in. I'm gonna be back shortly with some more content for you guys.